Hello, I'm Thierry-YouTube and I photograph nature all around the world. But I'm based here in the Camargue. It's a region I love. I've taken many pictures here and I'm about to publish my third book about its birds and wildlife. For our creative workshops, we have special access to the nature reserve before the public arrives. So we get here at sunrise for the best light and the best pictures. Yes, it's early, but it's great. Of course, the stars of the park are the flamingos. They are completely wild, but the park staff feeds them, so we know they'll be here when you come. I show you how to photograph flamingos and herons in flight. And then, at the end of the morning, we'll photograph the herons and storks from the hide. So, we have beautiful birds, beautiful scenery, beautiful lights, and I'll help you to make beautiful pictures.